Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Instagram story icons or 2B. Let me show you here guys. Here are the story icons. As you can see guys, these are very big from here. So if you want to get back in normal size, then you have to watch the video till the end. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version. For that you have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for Instagram app. So after that guys, you have to wait some seconds and make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. As you can see guys, I have an updated version of the app. So first of all, you have to close this page and then you have to open Instagram again. Let me tell you that if you want to get story icons in normal size, then you have to install the older version. Okay guys, so if you don't want to install the older version and want to get a normal size of story icons in this version, then you have to tap on your profile. Now tap on three lines. Let me tell you that if you have another account and check if story icons are showing like this there, so you have to tap on settings. Now tap on help. From here you have to wait some second, then tap on report a problem. Now again tap on report a problem. Now tap on include and continue. From here you have to take screenshot. First of all, you have to take screenshot and tap on upload. So after that your screenshot will be uploaded and you have to briefly explain about your problem. So I have already copied and given the description as well. And after that you have to tap on send, and after that your request will be sent to Instagram team and hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.